In this video, I will show you how to integrate with MailChimp. At first, log into your OptinMagic account. Go to Campaigns. Let's say we want to integrate this campaign with MailChimp. Click on Integration. Click on MailChimp. We need to fill this with API key. To get the API key, log into your MailChimp account. Go to Profile. Click on the extras. Click on API keys. Click on Create a key. Here is our API key. Copy the API key and paste it here. We will have to select an audience and complete the mapping. And we have now successfully integrated the MailChimp with OptinMagic.